All right, going to be working on a Porsche wheel here. It's just this spot right here, but this is pretty deep. It goes almost right up to the tire. Going to have to use the grinder to get that out, and then we'll sand it up. And it's going to be just a typical machine wheel repair after we get that out. So we're just going to have to feather it on both sides so you don't leave a big dip right here. So we'll grind back this way a little ways and down here, and then sand it up. Still going to just use a red conditioning disc on this. All right, then we'll smooth that out with the 320 first. Gonna have to reshape this just a little bit because it does have that flat edge now. That should do. And then we'll go ahead and switch out to the 800 grit. Take the scuff pad and go over that. That matches pretty well right there, so I'm not going to use a wet scuff pad with the surface prep spray on this one. It's just going to get cleaned and then clear coated.